Hey guys, so let's give you the hair reveal, and then I will show y'all where I got the hair from and tell you a little bit about it. Let me go to where I got it from. Amazon, but I'm just gonna show y'all, like, in case y'all want to get it. All right, so let's get to it. So it's crochet as usual, box plait crochet, curly on the ends. So before I get into it, they're on Amazon, and it's the Goddess Curly Box Braids. I did 613, and then I did a mixture. So let me show y'all. Of course, I had her put the 613 in the front. This is 18 inches. And then the other hair is black, a 27, and then a 613. So I will show you guys. So this is the hair. So from the back to the middle is the mixed color. And I got this because I wanted to wear some loose hair, but not loose hair. Now I just took some loose hair out of my head. Someone made a comment before, and I really don't care about the negative comments. But anyway, someone made a comment about why don't I get a sew-in. I just had a sew-in in for a month. And I didn't have time to do a video, but the whole month of December, I had a sew-in in. If you follow me on social media, you will see that I had a loose hair sew-in in. Okay, so to answer anybody's questions, yes, I will do a sew-in. Okay, so I wore my hair out for a month. So I had that in December. Today is January 28th. The whole month of January, I did not have anything in my head. I just did a headband wig. I didn't have anything in my head. So now this will probably stay in for a month to the end of February. And then the whole month of March, I will not have anything in my head. You'll probably see me with headband wigs or whatever during videos, because my birthday is in April. And in April, I will, well, before my birthday, I'll get my hair done again. So anyways, back to this hair. I love the way this hair twists and tangles, and that's what made me buy it, because I can be somewhere and it'll just twist into, see what I'm saying? I had her do it where I can part the hair on the right side, which I feel like is my best side. I can part the hair on the left side, which I don't feel is my best side. I can part it in the middle. Just in the middle. The way I will probably wear it to work and everything, I can wear it down without it getting in the way. It's 18 inches, like I said, so let me bring y'all down. But because of the curls, you know, without the curls, it'd probably be longer. But because of the curls, it curls up, and I love it. I can also just pull it up. Like, I love the versatile styles I can do with it. I've got different colors mixed in there. And I wanted to have fun with it because it's almost time for my birthday. And I'm debating on what I want to do. If I want to, I won't shave the back anymore. I do want to shave one side or both sides. And it's kind of confusing because it's like my right side, I feel like is my good side. So I'm like, do I shave my right side so that whatever styles I'm wearing, I can swing them over to the left? And that's the look I like. This is the look I like. The left side, I feels like changes my look a little bit when I have it on the left side. Or do I shave both sides? You know, it's always a birthday crisis for me. Do I shave both sides? I'm trying to see how I want to wear my hair to this brunch. I kind of like that. How I want to wear my hair to this brunch. But what I like I said about the hair is I get kind of a loose hair look with braids. So it's not loose to the point where it's going to tangle or where I got to use a tangling brush and all of that. But it is loose to the point where it's styled. It's styled for me already. If I wear it down, if I wear it loose, like you seen, if I do put it up today, if I do put it up, it's automatic styled. Automatic styled. So that's the part that we're going to figure out. It is heavy. I will tell y'all that if y'all do order this particular hair, it is heavy, maybe because of the curls. All the curls are at the bottom. So that could be why. I only saw 1 inch, which was the 18 inches. But let me show y'all. So this is what the hair looks like. And if y'all need a link, let me know. But this is the one on the bottom. So it's black 27 in the 613. You get six packs in a pack. So I had 6 packs of this one and 6 packs of the 613. I have a full head of hair at this time, and I think she only had 1 pack left. I don't like her to fill my head up with hair. So you can do a whole head with 12 of these, okay? In case you're wondering. It's a 6-pack lot with 15 strands per pack. 100% handmade, 18-inch pre-looped box braid crochet hair. They have a 1B 350. They have just 1B 6. I don't know what 6 is. 1B 6 and 27. I don't see the 6. I don't really know what the 6 is. The 613 is what I ordered, and they also have a 350. And then they just have 1B and 1B 30. If you just want to, you know, if you don't wear any colored hair, they do just have 1B, but I love it. It makes it easy for me to get my oils in, to oil my scalp. So I oil my scalp before I go to sleep. It makes it easy for me to get my oils in the front. I bought a new oil. Let me show y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all tried this. From the beauty supply store. So I'm starting today. I'm going to use this oil for a month. The Red by Kiss Growth MD. Have y'all tried this? Let me know. Because I'm going to put this on my nightstand. I'm going to use this for the whole month that I have that in my head. I thought about it after she did it that I got a free sample. That I should have like took pictures of my hair. My hair is just short. It's like the right here. My whole head. Like, it's short. I really want to see if I get anything out of that. So if y'all have used that or tried that, let me know. If you haven't, come back, because I'm going to show y'all or try to tell y'all in the next video how that did. But this is about this hair that I love so much that I'm going to go out and slang for today. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.